The situation in the national capital is alarming. It's equally alarming in several other parts of the country, including Gujarat. A large number of migrant workers are leaving. And when you ask them why are you leaving, the Chief Minister said it's only going to be 6 days. They say it starts with 6 days, but it will end up being much longer like last time. Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal held a meeting with Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to review the situation. And in this meeting, Anil Baijal is learned to have asked Arvind Kejriwal to take immediate measures to address the issue of panicked migrants after the Chief Minister announced a 6-day lockdown. The Delhi government is now considering accommodating some of those migrants at night shelters and other government accommodations. The government also wants to provide food to the migrants to stop this exodus. Both the Lieutenant Governor and the Chief Minister appealed to people not to leave Delhi and assured them that they will be taken care of.
As soon as Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced a 1-week lockdown in the national capital, exodus of migrants began. For the migrants, it's a repeat of what happened in 2020. Most of them, along with their belongings, now just want to reach home. We are standing at the Anand Vihar railway station and there is a long queue of these migrants who only want to reach home safely. They do not believe the government. They believe if the lockdown is extended, they will find it very hard to even get 2 square meals a day. Most of them stayed back in 2020 and suffered a lot. They don't want a repeat of that. They will come back only if the situation improves. For now, the only agenda they have is to reach home safely. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
हम जा रहे हैं बिहार।
घर जा रहे हैं। अभी आपको क्या लगता है, सरकार से उम्मीद है कुछ?
ये तो है ना, कोई उम्मीद नहीं लग रहा है ना अभी। 2 दिन लगाए, फिर 1 हफ्ता हुआ, क्या पता कब तक हो सकता है।
तो आपको लगता है बढ़ जाएगा लॉकडाउन?
लगता है बढ़ जाएगा।
आपको लगता है लॉकडाउन बढ़ जाएगा?
बढ़ जाएगा मैम।
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
मैं बिहार जा रहा हूँ, अपने घर जा रहा हूँ।
वापस आएंगे?
वापस नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि बढ़ रहा है लॉकडाउन। दूसरे बार हो गया मैम, ये दोबारा हो गया। कौन जानबूझ के अपना चलते फंसना नहीं चाहते हैं।
Most of the people here just want to go back to their villages. A lot of them did stay back in 2020, but they don't want a repeat of the same horror. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from Anand Vihar railway station with camera person Ritesh Mishra for India Today.
And migrants are rushing to railway stations and bus terminals even in Rajasthan. The government has announced a 15-day lockdown in Rajasthan starting the 3rd of May, and hundreds of workers from Uttar Pradesh, from Bihar, they rush to railway stations to board trains and get back home as quickly as possible.
"32-year-old Manoj from Bihar's Gaya has been feeling a sense of deja vu. He is fleeing Jaipur for his home in Bihar. Manoj had arrived once again last year in Rajasthan's capital Jaipur after returning to his home state.
काम कर सकते हैं, बाकी डर के वजह से हम भी लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं, इसीलिए डर के वजह से हम भी घर जाना चाहते हैं कि फिर पहले तरह दोबारा ना लग सके। सारे जितने हैं मतलब गलियों मार्केट दुकानें सब बंद हो चुके हैं। वापसी आएंगे, बाद में देखे जाएंगे, अगर खुल जाएंगे तो आ सकते हैं, अगर नहीं खुलेंगे तो नहीं आएंगे।
A rerun of last year's mass exodus after the imposition of nationwide lockdown. Hundreds of migrant workers assembled at the Jaipur junction looking for trains to head back home.
You can see the kind of rush that is prevailing at the Jaipur junction, which is the major railway station of Jaipur. Well, you can see this train is almost filled to the capacity, and the people who have arrived out here, they want to return to their hometowns for different reasons. Most of them have been wanting to go because of the lockdown and the situation that prevails out here. Several people have this fear factor in their mind, and they believe that the more stringent measures can be in place in times to come, and that is why they feel that it is better for them to return to their home states lest they found themselves in great amount of difficulty if situation like the last year prevails and the government imposes more stricter measures in times to come.
Rajasthan government has imposed a 15-day lockdown in the state till May the 3rd. But there are apprehensions among migrants that they may go without food if the lockdown is extended. The government has exempted many industries and businesses fearing adverse impact on the migrant workers. But the workers say that lockdown has already seriously affected major sectors like hospitality, catering and hotels.
हाँ, मैं कैटरिंग का काम कर रहा था।
हाँ
वो तो बंद हो चुका है।
बंद हो गया।
बंद हो गया। लॉकडाउन की वजह से जितना काम आता है वो कैंसिल हो जाता है। हाँ, डर है, पता है फिर भी ज़्यादा लॉकडाउन बढ़ सकता है।
Rajasthan, one of the worst hit states, had decided to impose a 15-day full lockdown after a massive spike in cases. With Devankur Vadavan in Jaipur, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.